Imagine stepping into a small backyard where a simple pathway guides you through gentle greenery, soft textures, and peaceful corners. Even the tiniest yard can feel inspiring when the design is intentional, calm, and filled with natural flow. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, your space for mindful and inspiring garden ideas. Today we're exploring small backyard pathway garden design. Tiny Yard Inspiration 2025. Start with a simple path. It can be stepping stones, gravel, wood slices, or a clean line of flat tiles. The key is to keep the pathway light, open, and uncluttered. A narrow, gently curving path adds softness and makes a tiny yard feel more spacious. Surround the path with low-maintenance plants. Think soft grasses, lavender, small ferns, or ground-hugging greens. Their gentle movement creates a soothing atmosphere whenever the wind touches them. Choose plants with soft shapes and natural colors. Greens, whites, and muted tones for a calming effect. If you want structure, add small shrubs or mini hedges along one side. This creates a clean boundary while keeping the space cozy, not crowded. Raised planters or terracotta pots placed neatly along the path can add height without overwhelming the layout. Add small moments of interest. A single bird bath, a wooden bench, or a simple ceramic pot placed at the end of the pathway gives the space purpose. A tiny destination that feels peaceful and inviting. For texture, mix natural elements like gravel, stone, or wooden planks. These materials ground the space and give your yard a gentle, earthy character. And don't forget lighting. A warm solar light near each bend or a soft lantern at the seating corner makes evenings feel magical, turning your tiny yard into a quiet sanctuary. Even in limited space, a simple pathway can bring harmony, movement, and inspiration. It guides the eye, calms the mind, and transforms a small yard into a peaceful retreat. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more calm, creative, and modern garden design ideas.